What's the meaning of cheap? Cheap. Cheap.
Cheap. Cheap. The word cheap refers to something that is available or sold at a low cost, or a price that is lower than the average or expected price. The term can also indicate a lack of quality or value in the item being referred to. In general, people use the term cheap to describe something that they consider affordable or a bargain, but may be lower in quality than a more expensive alternative. However, it is important to note that not all affordable items are bad quality, and not all expensive items are high quality.